You guys hear that? So boom, you hit it. Two-step right there. This should definitely help me launch this motherfucker. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. All right, guys, so I got my two-step in for the Mustang, so I'm gonna install that thing. Well, it's already installed. I'm gonna just go quickly over how I did it. Not gonna go too much into the description of how to do it. If you got any questions, message me. I'll help you out. But the only thing I am gonna go over is I did add a relay to the MSD switch right there. Don't mind all the wires here, still gotta hide them, but I just wanted to make sure it works. I added a relay. And other than that, me and Wayne are gonna go and test it out, see how she's doing, and then that's it. So enjoy this video, man, and I'll catch you very, very soon. Alright guys, let's get right to it. So I connected my MSD box over here because I don't have my battery anymore. So I connected the box here, nice and sturdy there. Follow the instructions, great instructions by MSD. The only thing I recommend is be careful connecting these wires, connecting the male to the female. The female connection seems to be pretty, not the strongest I've ever seen. So just be careful. I had to kind of mess around with it a little bit because I bent one of the pins. But other than that, that's it. I'm running. Here's the other connection. One of these goes to ground, the black one, and the blue and white is what I'm using to go to my relay. The other blue wire you saw there is if you're going to use it ground to switch it on. I'm using 12 volts. So that wire I showed you, that white and blue one, goes connected to my relay, which is this one, goes to my yellow one, and then the relay itself is getting powered through over here. Got my inline fuse there to protect it. This white one here is my ground, which is there. And then this other red one here, I know I should eventually probably change the color so I don't get confused. But that red one here goes to my switch, which is I'm running my MSD now through my purge switch, this is my nitrous switch. So I'm running it through the purge, and then the purge switch itself needs to get power, and that's being powered through this little fuse, power block I ended up here. This one is coming from battery, that goes and powers that relay, and then this one powers the switch. That is a quick rundown. I know sometimes that gets a little confusing. I've been using relays almost exclusively on my nitrous system. Any chance I get, I put a relay on everything. It's the safest bet for me, in my opinion. I feel way more comfortable. Something happens, there's a short, boom, that fuse goes, and then you can go and check, okay, what's going on. I can go and check out why there's a short or whatever. That also in turn protects your MSD box. You don't want that thing getting hurt. So let's see what I was gonna say. Okay, so that's basically it. The MSD is in here. Let's go and try this thing out, man. All right, so I just put her in reverse. I have the MSD set for 2500. So right now nothing happens. So let's see if that works. Hold the MSD. All right, something's going on. All right, guys, I got it sorted out. The MSD two-step, the female connectors of it are not the most durable things I've ever seen. I also did kind of, I don't want to say hammered them in there, but I wasn't being too careful. If you do guys purchase an MSD, it's a great box. It works great. It's just that female connector. Be careful when you're plugging them in, because I had some misconnections because one of them got bent as I put it in there. So me and Wayne just figured it out. We just checked it out. It was, there's always a solution. But so as far as I know, the two-step is working fine right now. Let me see. I'm gonna go test the car out right now. When you install the two-step, if you're having problems with starting, something's going on with some connection. Whether it's the 12 volts or the ground or something's going on. So your car should always start right up like that. And we're gonna get popping. El Wayno. I gotta actually do an oil change on this thing. I'm gonna try to do it next week. Wayne, it's good to be back, huh?
Yeah, I'm home.
All right, we're ready to rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
I wanna rock and roll all night. It would be pretty cool to put the two-step on one of those switches right there. Because those are momentary switches. These right? No, this is on and off. This no, I'm sorry. They're on and off switches.
Yeah. You need, well. Yeah, you can tell a huge difference.
She's back.
Huge difference. If it's this aggressive with the tune, when you get the turbos,
Oh shit.
forget about it.
Man. We're back, Wayne. Woo!
And I thought I heard something fly off the car.
She's spinning right now.
Man.
Wayno!
Man, the wheels are just fishtailing. Oh, I love it. Oh, smell that E85. Ooh, I love it.
That boy feel good, huh?
Oh, man.
Heart's running right now. I'm
That-
running with the devil.
Man, alive.
She feels good.
That was exceptional.
Back, man.
That was like back when you first started doing it,
Right?
and it was just throwing me back in the seat. That's the way it felt. That's how good it felt.
Heck yeah. All right, guys, we're back home. Wayne's back. Two-step looks like it's working good. Like I said, the female connection on the MSD seems to be not so sturdy. There's nothing wrong with that. I have no complaints with it. Just be careful when you're plugging them in. That way you don't mess things up. All I have to do now is go ahead and start hiding these wires. I had them already, but then I ran into that little problem with the two-step. But it's fixed now. Hide these wires, get them out of my way. What's next for the thing is a stager. Like I said, the True Motorsport 6R80 stager. That's next, very, very soon. And then right after that is going to be my fuel system. That way, once these turbos come in, man, I could pop it on, and I'm going to be getting proper fuel. I'm going to be able to launch it. I already have my drag wheels. I have these on right now just so I can go mess around on the street with Wayne. That way we get some excitement, get our heart rate up. But other than that, man, that's it. Thank you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Later, Wayne.
Yeah.